Yeah, and I think that's one of the key things you get from, like you said, with your teams, and that is that I think that what this has done is and I've said this on a few podcasts, is actually for leaders, it's inspired us and helped us to trust our teams more. I think, I trust my team a lot more now than I did this time last year. Not in a nasty way. Not I don't trust them. It's
Yeah.
just that I
Together.
felt that they need to be around me at all times to be working. But now I know that people genuinely like crack on, don't they? They
Yeah.
work. You know,
Yeah.
that's-
Yeah. I think, I was thinking about this a lot, the
mm,
topic that we're on right now,
mm,
over the break. And I think that 2020, like I said, was a year of connecting. And I think
mm.
2021 is a year of disconnecting.
Right.
And I
Okay.
mean that in a way that we need to figure out how to disconnect, because our employees will get burnt out. And that's the greatest fear as a leader, is for somebody so great that works so hard and has such an
Mm,
amazing work ethic to get burnt out. And so, like, what I would do back in the day before the pandemic is I would be the first person in the office and the last person to leave, because I wanted people to emulate that. I wanted
yeah.
people to have a good work ethic. So I
You
led
sound
by,
very like me, Mary. I'm that sort of person myself.
yeah. So,
So.
if you expect them to do it, you got to do it yourself.
Yeah.
So now what I'm thinking is, okay, if I need these people, the people who work for me, to disconnect, then I need to disconnect, which is very
Yeah.
difficult for me
Yeah.
to do. So I got to lead by example and
Mm,
figure out how to do that so that they'll
mm.
do it, and then we'll all be productive as a group.